Welcome to Fitnessphoria, your ultimate destination for health, wellness, and transformation.
Hey there! Today, we're going to chat about some so-called healthy foods that are actually not that great for you. Let's dive in and clear up some common misconceptions. First up, juice. It seems healthy, right? But they remove the fiber and add sugar. Just eat the actual fruit instead, like oranges or apples. Whole fruits have fiber that helps you feel full and slows the absorption of sugar. A glass of juice can have as much sugar as a soda, so stick to the whole fruit to get all the benefits without the sugar crash. Plus, eating whole fruits gives you all those essential vitamins and minerals in their natural form. Try making a habit of keeping fresh fruits around your home or desk. Not only do they make a quick and easy snack, but they also provide a burst of natural energy. And if you're craving something a bit more refreshing, blend up a fruit smoothie at home with no added sugars. Next, let's talk about flavored yogurt. Remember the yogurt we had as kids? Turns out it's more like eating ice cream with all that sugar and fat. Greek yogurt with some fruit is a much better option. Greek yogurt is packed with protein and probiotics, which are great for your gut health. Add some honey and nuts, and you've got a delicious, nutritious snack or breakfast. You can even get creative with your toppings. Try adding granola, seeds, or even a sprinkle of cinnamon for an extra flavor boost. Greek yogurt is also incredibly versatile. You can use it in savory dishes, as a base for salad dressings, or even as a substitute for sour cream in recipes. It's a fantastic way to add a healthy punch to your meals. Next on the list, sports drinks like Gatorade or Powerade. They're marketed as essential for hydration and recovery, but they're just sugary water with a few electrolytes. If you're not an athlete doing intense workouts, you really don't need these. Water is perfectly fine for staying hydrated. If you want to add some flavor, try infusing your water with fruits like lemon, lime, or berries. It's refreshing and free of all that extra sugar. You can even make your own electrolyte drink at home with water, a pinch of salt, and a squeeze of citrus juice. This homemade version will keep you hydrated without all the added sugars and artificial ingredients found in commercial sports drinks. Dried fruit is another sneaky one. It's high in sugar and calories. Fresh fruit is the way to go. Dried fruit can be convenient, but it's easy to overeat because it's so concentrated. A small handful of dried fruit can have as many calories as a large serving of fresh fruit. Stick to fresh fruit to stay full and satisfied. Fresh fruits not only provide you with essential vitamins and minerals, but they also contain high water content, which helps keep you hydrated and feeling full. Plus, fresh fruits have a natural sweetness that can help curb sugar cravings. If you love the convenience of dried fruit, try making your own at home without added sugars or preservatives. Next on the list, light or flavored peanut butter is another scam. They take out some of the peanuts and replace them with sugar to lower the calories. Stick to regular or powdered peanut butter, or even better, make your own. It's super easy to make peanut butter at home. Just blend peanuts in a food processor until smooth. You can add a pinch of salt or a bit of honey if you like, but at least you'll know exactly what's in it. Homemade peanut butter is not only healthier but also tastes fresher. You can experiment with different nuts and add-ins like chia seeds or flax seeds for an extra nutrient boost. And if you're feeling adventurous, try making almond butter or cashew butter for a change. Energy bars and balls are another trick. When you see energy, think sugar and extra calories. A true protein bar should have fewer than 250 calories and at least 20 grams of protein. Otherwise, it's just an energy bar. These bars are fine if you're in a pinch, but try to reach for whole foods whenever possible. A handful of nuts or a piece of fruit can be just as satisfying and much healthier. If you enjoy having bars for convenience, consider making your own at home. You can control the ingredients and avoid all the unnecessary sugars and additives. Homemade energy bars can be packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, making them a much better option for a quick snack. Pre-made fruit smoothies are another trap. They take out the good stuff and add sugar. Make your own smoothies at home and add some protein powder for a healthier option. Homemade smoothies are great because you can pack them with all sorts of healthy ingredients like spinach, kale, and chia seeds. Plus, you can control the sweetness by adding just enough fruit and no extra sugar. Try experimenting with different combinations to find your favorite blend. Add a handful of oats for extra fiber or some avocado for a creamy texture. Smoothies are a fantastic way to get a variety of nutrients in one delicious drink, perfect for breakfast or a post-workout snack. Chocolate milk. It's just regular milk with lots of added sugar. Plain milk is much better, though there are some exceptions like Fairlife, which is lower in sugar and higher in protein. Milk is a great source of calcium and protein, but if you need that chocolate fix, try adding a little cocoa powder to your milk. It's a healthier way to enjoy a chocolatey drink. For an even richer flavor, you can add a dash of vanilla extract or a sprinkle of cinnamon. This way you get all the benefits of milk without the excess sugar. Chocolate milk can be a good post-workout drink, but only if it's made with minimal added sugars. Salads can be tricky too. The veggies are great, but all the extra stuff like heavy dressings and croutons can make it unhealthy. Opt for lighter dressings and keep the extras to a minimum. You can make a delicious, healthy salad by using fresh ingredients and being mindful of the toppings. Try using olive oil and vinegar for dressing, and add some lean protein like grilled chicken or tofu to make it a complete meal. Another great tip is to load your salad with colorful vegetables like bell peppers, tomatoes, and carrots. These add a variety of nutrients and make your salad more appealing. You can also sprinkle some seeds or nuts for added crunch and nutrition. Next on the list, veggie chips. They might sound healthy because they're made from veggies, but don't be fooled. They strip away the fiber, add a ton of oil, and make them just like regular chips. So, veggie chips are basically just regular chips with a fancy name. Stick to real veggies instead. Imagine munching on a fresh carrot or a crunchy cucumber. They're satisfying, low in calories, and actually good for you. Plus, they're way cheaper than those overpriced veggie chips. For a fun twist, try making your own veggie chips at home by baking thin slices of vegetables like zucchini, sweet potatoes, or beets. You can season them with herbs and spices for a tasty, healthy snack. Next, instant oatmeal. It starts out healthy, but then they add loads of sugar and those mysterious flavored bits. You're better off making plain oatmeal and adding your own fruit like blueberries or strawberries. It's super easy and you can control exactly what goes into your breakfast. Try adding some nuts or a drizzle of honey for a bit of sweetness without all the added sugars. Oatmeal is a fantastic way to start your day because it's high in fiber, which keeps you full longer. You can also add spices like cinnamon or nutmeg for extra flavor without added calories. And don't forget about savory oatmeal. Try adding avocado, a poached egg, and some sautéed greens for a delicious and nutritious meal. Don't get me started on gluten-free products. Unless you have a gluten allergy, gluten-free doesn't mean healthier. They often add sugar to make up for the taste. Gluten-free foods can also be more processed and lack essential nutrients. If you don't need to avoid gluten, just stick to whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice. They're packed with fiber and nutrients that are good for you. Whole grains are an excellent source of energy and can help regulate blood sugar levels. They're also more filling, which can help with weight management. When shopping, always check the labels and try to choose products with minimal ingredients and no added sugars. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for more tips. We've got tons of great content coming your way, and I don't want you to miss out. Until next time, take care and stay healthy. We'll keep debunking these myths and helping you make better choices for a healthier lifestyle. Remember, small changes can lead to big results, and every step towards better nutrition is a step towards a happier, healthier you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.